In today's video, we'll talk about the advantages of getting up at 4 am in the morning. The glory of waking up early according to Ayurveda. In Sanskrit, the daily routine is called as Dinucharya, where Din means day and Acharya means to follow or to close to. So, Dincharya is an ideal daily schedule, taking into account the nature's cycle. In Ayurveda, the focus is levied on the early hours of the day, as it is instrumental in setting the tone of your day. It strengthens immunity and purifies the body of its wastes. With the help of simple healthy routines, one can clean the body and mind, balance doshas, strengthen immunity, and start the day on a refreshing and rejuvenating note. Getting up at 4 am will help you start the day on a blissful note. Brahma Muhurta, which means the time of Brahma, the pure consciousness for rising up in the morning. One should wake up about 1.5 hours before the sunrise so that you can synchronize with the rhythm of sun. At this time, a great shift in energy fills space, therefore subduing mental irritation or hyperactivity and lethargy. Then, about half an hour before sunrise, a second boom of energy dawns in the atmosphere. Hope, inspiration, and peace manifest at this time. This time is considered best for attaining Brahma Gyan, that is meditation and self-analysis, supreme knowledge, and eternal happiness. At this time, the environment is pure and calm and soothing, and the mind is fresh after sleep. They say the early bird catches the worm, and reasons suggest that there might be some truth to the old adage. Waking up with or before the sun allows them to get a head start on the day, knocking out tasks before the rest of the world has rolled out of bed. Those extra hours will, with less distractions and fresh energy, also give them a chance to do some creative thinking, fit in a workout, and spend time with family. And it should be noted that waking up early doesn't necessarily mean losing sleep. Here, we present to you 10 early risers who may convince you never hit the snooze button again. We at Zenith Tutorials encourage and motivate our students to wake up at 4 am. We advise them to stretch hard till 21 days at least. And why 21 days? Well, we based it on the old idea of Dr. Maxwell Maltz that says you need 21 days to form a new habit. As a student, we should eat less at night, that is for dinner. Sleep early because 6-7 hours of sleep is a must. Mentally prepare yourself to wake up early and be motivated. Do not start studying immediately, as after waking up, do some stretches or go for a walk so that you feel energetic the whole day and positive too. So all the best kids, and wake up at 4 am.